Funnel.io features, strengths, weaknesses. Funnel.io is a marketing data aggregation platform designed to streamline reporting and analysis. Its core functionality revolves around extracting data from various marketing platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and various CRMs, transforming it into a unified format and loading it into a data warehouse or BI tool. Key features include pre-built data connectors for hundreds of marketing platforms, automated data mapping and transformation based on customizable rules, real-time data updates ensuring current insights, and data governance features such as user permissions and audit trails. Funnel.io is primarily geared towards mid to large-size marketing teams, agencies managing multiple client accounts, and data analysts requiring a centralized view of marketing performance. It's an excellent solution for organizations spending significant time manually compiling data and struggling with disparate data sources. The strengths of Funnel.io lie in its comprehensive connector library, significantly reducing the need for custom API integrations. The automated data mapping saves considerable time compared to manual data cleaning and preparation. Its real-time updates provide immediate insights into campaign performance. On the downside, Funnel.io can be relatively expensive, particularly for smaller businesses or those with limited marketing budgets. The initial setup and configuration can require a learning curve, although their support documentation is robust. While the pre-built connectors are extensive, niche platforms may still require custom API integrations. Finally, data transformation rules, while customizable, can become complex to manage for advanced use cases. Competitors include platforms like Supermetrics, Improdu, and Stitch Data, each with varying strengths in pricing, connector availability, and user interface. Ultimately, Funnel.io is a powerful tool for automating marketing data aggregation and streamlining reporting. Its robust connector library, automated data transformation, and real-time updates make it a valuable asset for data-driven marketing teams. However, businesses should carefully consider their budget, data complexity, and technical expertise before committing to the platform. Weighing the cost against the time savings and improved data accuracy will determine if Funnel.io is the right fit for your organization. If you're drowning in marketing data and need a centralized, automated solution, Funnel.io is definitely worth considering.